Hey everybody, welcome back to Daniel's Devlogs, my journey where I'm learning to make mature games without mature content. So, you may have seen earlier today, the alpha has an official release date next week. So, very exciting. We're gonna get it as close as we can, not over perfect it, make sure that you all can get a game that works, and give us some feedback before we start polishing and ironing out everything, every little detail. So anyway, in the interest of that, today I did a couple things. So I mentioned doing the movement system, getting that kind of feeling better, and I think it's in a really good spot. Of course, we'll see what the alpha says. But also, I encountered a couple things with the AI. So I will show you both of those things next. Okay, so I'm gonna run around and show you. First off, I got Nolan's model of the speed boost on there, so that works. You can drag it out and put it wherever we want, so that's sick. Also, I was talking about the jumping thing. I think I have it feeling pretty good, where you can jump and it feels pretty natural, and then you can change your direction a little bit in the air, which is good. Not complete absolute control like you had before, but still where you're not just stuck doing one thing. You can influence it a little bit. I also looked at the jump pad a bit and did some interactions with it. So for example, if I were to slide on it before, I would have just stayed there. I might have actually shown that in a devlog before, but that's one thing. The other thing is if you roll on it, it'll also jump. So that's cool. Last thing I did, just to kind of tune it up, I have this the landing state, which would pause you right there, do like a landing animation. I kind of got rid of that. So, okay. There's a lot of stuff I want to cover, but you may remember this ramp from the AI testing the slide video, giant ramp here. I have tested a couple different things. So I've been working a lot with the AI to get it where it can use the overriding of the target destination that is provided by the runner, the tagger logic, so it can go do different things. For example, it can look for speed boosts and it can look for jump pads, and if it's beneficial, it can go towards them, activate them, and then go towards the target again. So I have those working. To show both demos would take a while in the devlogs, so I won't. But the other thing I wanted to talk about that I kind of got stuck on today, or just towards the end of the day, but I found an issue where if the AI is above or below the player, it will just kind of sit right on top of them and not be able to do anything. So I'm trying to make an override where it'll let them avoid a vertical obstacle. We'll see how that goes tomorrow.